Former Kumasi Asante Kotoko player Francis Akwafo Toti edinse watuja nensa ba kana very positive na wo se me carry ema na ewiase afanya nyina ete nsema Francis Akwafo Toti eka Kumasi Asante Kotoko eguso ehihye team pa so far Kotoko assign 13 players. The last one, which is Fernando Wisdom Bassi, the very last player Kotoko signed, a forward from Nigeria. Or no, to 13. Now, a dear na Francis Akwafo, legend of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Eka. Yes, Toti during the heydays, no, and now who's photos, no, and that screen, no. Francis, I say, we know, as some are can without slight shake of doubt, because so far, signings are club BIA or Ghana no Kotoko no is the best. Incidents more kind of them I mean put on mammy ma chirima between. Was it Kotoko have made the best of signings this window as compared to last season. Players recruited in this window are the best because they've made names for themselves and are matured. Was it Kotoko are yet the best of signings this year compared to last season. Players are recruit you omo. They are the best because omagidin ewo baby ano omo and na omo say matured players. Let's just say Division 2 players in common and now team say okay kako. Also we've also got foreign players who are also good. Yes, our foreign players are more good. And in all, I will say the club's recruitment this time has been better than last season. Also, can you know Francis Akwafo Toti, which man can say this particular season, Kotoko transfer is far better and ahead of last season. I watched them play against Ghanasoccernet in the Democracy Cup, and I realized that the players are matured and know how to play. Also, against Ghanasoccernet, the Democracy Cup has a dim kuku to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. No, who say players no are very mature. It is just about knowing themselves well, and they are good to go. Or say they can say boys no, about ball no when you understanding the telepathic play no. Let's say they are good to go. And some of Francis Akwafo KD, Mr. Kotoko Nimbia and then the because we're hitting nail no right on top of it. Yambo Mpai say injuries and insensembia NCC in the course of the season. Emma enkofa insembia mba. Say yes, Matthew. We are all positive that this particular season, Kotoko, more than one of kind. Na the Asante Kotoko supporter be a free team no. Ninsabeka na nijiano aba for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. There is an update. A bar concerning Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yes.